In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro wireframes. By the end, you'll be able to turn ideas into clean, low-fidelity layouts that communicate structure and flow without getting bogged down in visual polish. Start by opening the Miro board where you want to work. From your dashboard, click into the board you've set aside for this project. Give yourself a clear area to build in so you can see your pages and screens side by side as they evolve. It helps to zoom out first to get a sense of the space, then zoom in where you plan to place your initial layout. Next, access the wireframe library. On the left toolbar, click the Templates button. On some setups, you might use the app's icon and search for wireframe templates. You'll see a collection of pre-made options designed to speed up your process. These are great starting points because they include common blocks like headers, navigation bars, cards, and form elements, all aligned to practical patterns. Choose a wireframe template that fits your needs. If you're exploring a website, pick a website wireframe. For a mobile experience, select a mobile app wireframe sized for phone screens. If you're mapping a specific product flow, choose a product design wireframe. Think about the device orientation and complexity of the screen you're designing. Once selected, add it to your board so you can begin shaping it to your idea. Now drag and drop elements to compose your layout, pull in buttons, navigation, placeholders for images or video, input fields, and text blocks right onto the canvas. Resize elements using the handles until they match your intended hierarchy and move them around until the spacing feels balanced. Smart guides help with alignment, so let them snap items into place for a neat, readable structure. If you need multiple versions of the same element, duplicate it and keep iterating next to your first draft. Finally, customize your wireframe, replace placeholder text with meaningful labels and headings, adjust button copy to reflect actions, and tweak sizes so important items stand out while secondary details stay subtle. Keep colors minimal. Wireframes are about structure, not final visuals, so rely on grayscale, spacing, and simple shapes to convey intent. If a block isn't working, swap it for another element from the library and compare options side by side. Group related items to move sections as a unit, and add concise annotations near tricky interactions so anyone reading your wireframe understands what happens when a user taps or clicks. That's it. With your board open, a fitting template selected, thoughtful placement of elements, and clear customization, you'll have a solid wireframe ready for discussion and quick iteration.